The rain continues through part of the week, but there are warmer temperatures on the way. That's the good news.
Yeah, meteorologist Emily Scottima here now with a look ahead of that 8-day forecast.
I think by the weekend we should have temperatures that get close to 80 degrees, and this week we have a gradual warming trend in the forecast. The big news right now, though, is just the fact that finally that heavier rain is moving out. We picked up a lot of rain today, and we picked up a lot of rain yesterday, so here's a look at how much we've seen so far today. Right around 0.82 inches in Grand Rapids, almost an inch and a half in Ionia, and close to 2 inches in Battle Creek. So again, this is just through the day today. Now you add that to what we saw yesterday. Yesterday we saw 1.62 inches in Grand Rapids, and then on Thursday and Friday we picked up over half an inch. So we have seen a lot of rain over the past 5 days. Saturday was beautiful with the sunshine, but yesterday it really rained all day long. So because of that, no surprises that aerial flood warning is still in effect. That's going to continue through the evening. So considerable flooding has been reported across the area. Again, just a reminder, if you see flooding out on the roadways, don't try to drive through it. We also have a lakeshore flood advisory in effect for Muskegon County on up to the north. That continues until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Lakeshore flood warning in effect also until Tuesday morning, 10 a.m., and that's for areas a bit farther down to the south. Storm Track Live shows that we are starting to dry off, especially around into the west of 131. Off to the east, that's where the heavier rain still is, but it's starting to push farther off to the east and move out of West Michigan. Here's the setup. That area of low pressure down to our south moved in and really just parked itself there. So because of that, we're still seeing those rain showers moving counterclockwise around the area of low pressure, and we still have that chance of light rain in the forecast. Not going to be as heavy, but it's still going to be rain coming down. So on FUTURECAST through the evening, early overnight, still have a chance of seeing that rain. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, notice those red colors, those orange colors are out of the way on FUTURECAST, but we still have some light scattered showers moving through. Once we get to tomorrow afternoon, especially mid-afternoon or so, I think those rain showers will come to an end. We'll still have the clouds overhead. Tomorrow evening, we could start to see those clouds break apart just a bit. And then Wednesday, finally, we have more sunshine, especially for areas that are north of Grand Rapids. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, though, are looking dry. So once we get past this additional rain, things should be clearing out. Most areas are forecast to see less than an additional ½ inch of precipitation, so not too much more heading our way. It's those areas farther to the east where we still could pick up over an inch. That includes areas like Lansing and Jackson. So for the next 3 days, we have improvements coming. Temperatures tomorrow should be in the mid-60s. It's going to be breezy. It's going to be cool. We still have the chance of some light rain. By Wednesday, around 70 degrees. Thursday should be in the mid-70s. And both of those days should have some sunshine. So a pleasant second half of the week after a really rainy first half of the week. Notice temperatures continue to warm up over the next 8 days. Friday should be in the low 70s, and over the holiday weekend we do have a few chances of seeing some light rain, possibly a thunderstorm or two. Still, temperatures get close to 80 by Memorial Day.